Okay, a rather large print here. It's a bit ridiculous, but it's a shower tap. So let's get this removed. Not a shower, a sink tap. Because I can't find one like this to buy that fits my, what's it called, connector. So I just designed one, and this time I printed it as one piece. Because previously I printed it on the Prusa with 3 different pieces that I had to super glue together, but this time it's just one whole piece. And this is with, what's it called, fuzzy skin and a lot of supports. So this comes out to around 400 grams, 400 to 500 grams, so basically like half a roll of filament. And I'm trying to be a bit careful. There we go. Nice. So this time I printed it black rather than white. So let's cut the bottom off. And I'm just going to do it with just a Stanley knife. I mean, it's not important to get this perfect because this area won't be touched by hands or anything. Okay, that feels great. That looks great. Just where the supports were. Not too much. I don't want to mess around with that for now. But let's just fit it on the actual tap. So let's do it. Let's have a quick look. How is it? Well, it looks great. So let's get this mounted in the tap where it is. So I'm going to replace this because it doesn't look nice anymore after like 2 years of use. So let's get this removed and replaced. There you go. Oh, my cat was in the toilet, I didn't even realise. Make sure nothing falls over. Don't want my phone falling in. So as you can see, all I got is, let's compare it first. The first one, which is white, has gone a bit manky. Even though I'll clean it. Let's just give this a quick. Okay, now we can just shove it on. So you see, I've got a pipe here, like a hose. And here we go. We've got a new pipe straight away, just like that. So a bit crazy, a bit stupid, but I don't have any other options. What I'm talking about is this area. I don't know what to look for to actually fit this, but this looks great now.